Alright guys, welcome back to another video. Today is going to be a different type of video, man. Today we got a 2014 Impala. Show you guys the body style real quick. The new body style that they did just discontinue. So this is a 2014, the base model, 2.4, but installation and everything should all be the same. Right now we just got a 22 socket on the wheel. We're going to be doing the hub bearing today. And by the way, you can get this in the link in the description below. The DeWalt 20 volt. So we're going to go ahead and take this off. Alright, go ahead and take all those off. Take this wheel off. Wheel off out the way. Alright, so we're gonna be doing a hub bearing. Let me show you guys the part number. It is DL513288 Duralast. And this is how it looks. It doesn't have the ABS sensor on it or anything like that. So guys are good there. So we're gonna start by taking these caliper bolts off. Then we're gonna take the caliper bracket off. Then we're gonna take the rotor off, and then we're gonna get this nut off right. Alright guys, and as you can see, I did start to get to work a little bit, but let me show you guys what I need. And by the way, this is not just under there by the jack. I do have two jack stands under there, just in case you guys are wondering. But let me show you guys where I got. So the first thing you're gonna need is I think this is a 14, so yeah, 14 millimeter socket, ratchet, little screwdriver. You're gonna need a T30 to get this out of here. This piece right here, mine did break, and as you can see, it's kind of twisted, and it did mess up the socket. Wish the camera would focus. So yeah, and as you can see, it's still like a little piece in there, but I should still be able to get the rotor out. This is a 32, so you're gonna need one of these. By the way, this is in a link in the description below. So you're gonna need a 32, this one and this one in the link in the description below. These lifesavers. I did need a little PB blaster or WD-40, but like I said, 14 millimeter for these, the caliber, and these are the caliper bracket. This one and this one, that's a 21 millimeter, so you're gonna need one of these. So 21 millimeter, and that should be it. So I'm about to take these two out for the caliper 14. I did just spray them with some PB blaster. This is in there because when I was trying to get this out, I couldn't get it out with my hand or with this. So what I did, I used this. I just took this little piece off here. This comes off, this little black piece, this little adapter, you know, and I put it on here, then put it on here, and that's how I got it off. But as you can see, it did break. So I'll get back with you guys in a minute once I get these loose, and I'll take you to the next step. All right, guys, we are back. We got the caliper bracket off, and we got the rotor off and everything. So now the only thing we have to do is take the 32 millimeter, which is here. Matter of fact, we can go ahead and do that right now. Let me go ahead and set that on top of that. And let's go ahead and see if we can get this bad boy off with the DeWalt 20 volt lithium. Let's see if we can get it off. Came right off. So make sure you guys get that, man. Link in the description below. So now we got this off. Should be a little washer in here. Yeah, probably not a washer. So now that we got that off, now we just got to get the bolts that's back here. As you can see, that's one. Let's see if we can find them. That's two. The third one is up here. You probably just can't see it, but it's right here. see if I can show my hand. Right there, above the CV axle. So, in order to get that, man, we might need to take the whole, it's looking like we might need to take the whole steering knuckle off, but I'll get back to you guys and let you guys know. But again, in order to take the caliper bracket off, those are 14 and those were 21. So 21, 14. All right, guys, let me show you guys where we are. So we did have to take the tire rod off. This is a 19, which this goes on here just like this. So all I used was this 19 socket here. Where's the 19? There it is. So all I used was that. I did hit the CV axle in. So you just put this back on, screw it back on, take your hammer, knock it in. I got it to right here. I'm just gonna leave it right there for right now. And I did take these out as well, and these were 19 millimeters as well. So just like this, I'll show you guys how they'll be in. So this, they just go straight through here. These bolts just go straight through here, and it locks in on the other side. So that's the only thing I've done. I haven't taken anything else apart. I have not taken the ball joint out. I'm going to use this 19 just like this. And I will be able to get it. All three of them, I'm pretty sure. So one, oh, I forgot about that top one. So it's the top one up here. So yeah, I will have to take the whole CV axle out. So I will be doing that. I'll get back to you guys in a second, but I'm definitely not going to even mess with this ball joint. And yep, that's it. I'll get back to you guys in 1 second. All right, guys, and just like so, I was able to get the CV axle out of there. Now I'm about to take these 3 bolts out. 1, 2, and 3. Already loosened them up with the pry bar, but since I was able to go ahead and take the CV axle out, I'm about to just go ahead and use the ratchet and take the rest of them out. And then last thing we gotta do is take the hub bearing off. I'll be right back. All right, guys, I'm sorry to say, but I did have to take the bottom ball joint out. Some of you guys probably already knew that, but yeah, I did have to take the bottom ball joint off, guys. That was just a what was it, 16 on one side and a, here it is, yeah, 16 on one side. So here's the bolt here, 16, and I used the 15 on the other side, wherever my little ratchet is. Yeah, so it's a 15 on this side, 16 on this side. Oh, here it is. I hit it with the gun. So I use this side over here, and I use the 16 over here with a ratchet, and just beat it down. As you can see, right here is how it comes out. So I just stuck this in here. It's an old part, it broke, so I just stuck that in there, and it was able to come out. So now this is the new one. About to line everything up, put everything back together. So I'll catch you guys in a minute. Let me just line this thing up, you know what I mean, and I'll get back to you in a minute. Alrighty, guys, as you can see, we got everything back on, man. Everything's good to go. So everything is ready to go. Took it out on a test drive. Everything was good. So that's how you change the hub bearing, front hub bearing on your 2014, to 2019 Chevy Impala. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.